Good afternoon. Welcome to Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great recipe here behind me. I'm about to share with you guys, and I'm looking forward to it. Let's get cooking. Hello everyone. Today I have these nice looking oxtails I found at my local grocery store. I trimmed off some of the fat. For the most part, they were pretty good. And everyone, there's a lot of ingredients going in these oxtails, but in the description I'll have the full recipe of all the seasoning and spices I used. And also, I'm going to try something I've never done before. I'm going to put these oxtails in a pot, bring them to a rolling boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to drain them, drain all that water, and rinse them. Then put them back in the pot with some more water. Then we're going to start adding our seasoning, bell pepper, and onions, and that'll be the stock we use. They say that makes a better, cleaner broth, more flavor. So let's see, give it a try with these oxtail. This is the first water. I'm going to bring them to a ball. You're going to see all the impurities. For about 10 minutes, a rolling ball. Then I'm going to dump this, strain the oxtail, rinse them off, then come back with some more water, and then that'll be our cooking beef stock. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button. It would really help this video and my channel. And also, if you're enjoying these family recipes, hit subscribe and you'll be the first to see my family recipes and my barbecue recipes. Thank you. And here we are. This is the water that I'm going to drain off, rinse the oxtails, and then we're going to come back with the fresh water, add our bell peppers, onions, all our flavoring, and just another reminder, full recipe in the description below. And that's me pointing out some hot jalapeno peppers. Everyone in the comments below, let me know how you guys like to cook your oxtails. Is it traditional, curry, jerk, baked in the oven with brown gravy? Let me know and I may try your recipe on the channel. Thanks. Now we're going to bring this up to a medium boil, cover it up, and once it starts boiling, I'm going to let it simmer on medium to low for about 3 hours. And with the help of magic, this is 3 hours later, that stock has reduced, the flavors have combined, and man, they're nice and tender. I'm going to let it cool off. I'm going to plate this up, then I'm going to give you guys my final review. Will I try this Old Bay seasoning again? Was it too much? Was the flavors overpowering? I will let you guys know. Stay tuned. Here we are. I'm going to give it my final taste test. These spicers was awesome. The richness of the beef, oxtails with, all that good fat, that good gelatin, the Old Bay season, the garlic, the onions, the spicy Daniels, the beef base, the bell pepper and onions, and the jalapenos. It all was good. I will make this again. I will keep it hot because it's something good. It's a good hot. Guys, I appreciate all your support watching my videos to the end. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.